Hello friends, welcome back to Node.js tutorial. So we are discussing about the Node.js streaming. So basically in Node.js they have a write stream, writable stream, duplex stream and the transform stream. So we already published the tutorial on readable and writable stream, duplex stream, and one important topic which is related to this stream, that is the piping stream, right? So already discussed about three types of stream, and we have only one types of stream is left, that is a transform stream. So I will recommend you please see the previous video and the links are provided in the description section. Transform stream is one kind of stream. Basically it can transform some data from one to another. In readable stream we have an input type field or any source file. From the source file we can read some data, and in writable stream we can write some data into the destination, and the duplex can do both readable and writable and with some delay. Basically we are getting the live streaming concept in the duplex stream, and transform the data from source to destination we basically use the pipe. Now I want to discuss about the transform stream. So what is transform stream? Basically transform stream will modify some data. So here I will take a input.txt, and here this is written, this is transform stream concept in Node.js. Right now I want to make the copy of these things into the destination file, into another file, and the file text will be uppercase. So we can do the transformation of code in this way. So let's see how we can do this. So to access any file related things, basically we need to use the file system. So simply just write constant, and we will require the file system library. So simply write require, and here simply write fs. Right, this is the file system library, and from the file system library we will basically take two things. I need the create read stream and create write stream, so both things. So simply write create read stream or write stream, right? So I need these two things for input or output the file. So and another things I need for transform the stream, we need the transformation. So basically we need constant, and transformation will come from the stream. So simply write here the stream, okay, and I will get the transform from this. So simply write transform, okay. So all things I imported which I actually need. Now how we can do this? Simply let's create var, and let's create a variable, suppose readable, and let's use the create read stream. So we'll basically read the data. Basically here my source will be the input.txt. so here basically this is the file input.txt. I want to fetch this data, right, and I want to write data into my destination. So basically just to write the writable, okay. So let's create a variable, simple variable as per your choice, and use create write stream, and here my destination file will be suppose output.txt. so let's check whether output.txt is present or not. So here there is no output.txt present. Basically when we use these things, if there is no file with this name, it will automatically create, and if it gets a file with this name, it will replace the code from the source file, right? So this is the code already we seen from our previous video. Now to transform some data, right? So transform some data, we need to create some variable, or we will create a function actually. So simply write uppercase, and let's call a function. Suppose here my function name is transform to uppercase. So this is my function name, and let's create this function. So simply just create a function, simply write constant transform to uppercase, and let's create a arrow function, and here there is no need of any argument, so just pass this as a blank and simply call the transformation which actually I included. So simply write return new transform, right? And here basically we'll write all the transformation code. Basically we'll get that string from here, we'll take that as a chunk and we'll make this into the uppercase, right? So simply just call a transform function, and here we can see, and in the transform function basically I need three types of things, that is chunk and the encoding and the callback. So simply just write three things, that is chunk, and the next parameter is the encoding, so I can write here enc simply, and for callback simply write, okay, let's write callback, right? And let's build the logic to uppercase. So here is the place we can write anything. So simply my logic is I want to make the data into the uppercase, so simply write uppercase, and here just get all the value into the chunk and make it to string and then make it to uppercase, right? So this is the function we can use to make it uppercase, and simply call the callback. So simply write callback, and here you can see in the callback needs two parameter. So first parameter can we have a error, so simply just ignore this error. This is the no error, so I just pass here null and just pass the data as a second parameter. So I'm just passing the transform data, that is the uppercase. So here you can get the string with the uppercase, right? So all things are done, and we are getting all those things into this variable, right? Now let's call the readable, so which actually I created. So simply write readable and make it a pipe and pass the string which I converted, which I actually transformed. This is the uppercase, and again pipe this into the destination file. So this is the writable, so just copy this and paste it here, all right? And simply you can write any console so that you can understand the program is successfully completed or not. So simply write transform completed, right? Now just go into the terminal and let's run this transform.js. So simply just use node transform.js and enter this transform completed. Now the transformation things will go to the destination, that is output.txt. So simply just go here and let's check where is the output.txt. So this is the output.txt, okay? So there is the input.txt. So all the data just copied into the output.txt with uppercase. So you can understand how transform is working and how read and write stream is working and how it's transforming data and how the data passing from input to the output through the pipe, right? So basically step by step we are getting more deeper. This is all the things we need to understand from the basic of streaming concept, right? So we need all the streaming concept, that's a read stream and then write stream and then piping, and we are using the transform, right? So I think you will like this video, and next day I am trying to get another example of transforming, and I will going to do a program so that I will transform some data into the zip file, right? So here if you just check, this is the input.txt and I want to take some backup and I want to make a zip file of this source file. So we will use some library and we will do with a transformation, right? So hope you will like this video, and still if you have any queries about this video, please comment in a below comment section. And thanks for watching this video. Have a good day. Bye.